everyone, Mata here. Let's achieve this beautiful eyeshadow and lips tutorial. So normally, I always go for my CPD Better Than Chocolate palette. This palette always serves me real good. Yes, so the first I'll go in with the shade you're seeing me tap. I'll just go in with that shade on the edges of the eyebrows just to create a softer brown. Yeah, just to create a soft brown on that edges before I go in with my other transition colors. Before I go any further, this video is absolutely unfiltered. She was super excited for the glam and I was happy as well. She looked so beautiful already. So guys, I'll be posting the full tutorial or the full face makeup in my next video. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on post notification to get notified when I post the beautiful full face tutorial where I did I'll be showing you guys how I do my face prep and everything in the video. So this is me trying to use that shade just on the edges of her eyebrows to create a little bit of warm and soft transition into the other color I'll be using. Now I'll be going in with my brown. That's chocolate brown, that very dark chocolate brown. I just love this palette so much. I love Annie's Beauty palette, but at the same time I really love CPD's palette. Now I'll be going in with my Cindy's Pop Me eyeshadow primer. This is always my go-to shadow primer. Then I'll just be using this on her eyelid after I'm done creating my transition colors. Now you know why I used that first shade on her eyebrows. You can see that I used a darker shade in between and it gave it that little highlight on the edges, and I love the outcome. After blending out my eyeshadow primer, I'll just go in with my color of the day, the shadow color I want to use, and I'll just gradually dab that on my eyeshadow primer, making sure that I blend that very well and making sure it's sitting properly. The reason why I'm putting my hands on the lashes is so that I don't get to stain it too much and so that I can have a seamless blend. By the time we're done, I'm also going to use wipe and just go in on the lashes a little. You want to avoid product as much as you can on the eyelash, yes, so that you don't end up messing up the lashes. Now just go in my eyeshadow primer on the other side of my eyes, and like I said, blending matters a lot. Always make sure you do a very nice blending. It really matters a lot. So I'll just go ahead and just blend my shadow primer on that side before I go in with my eyeshadow. After having that beautiful blend, I'll be going in with my karite gel liner. I love that gel liner. I've been using that gel liner in a while and it works for me when it comes to makeup. I mean, there are a lot of things that work for some and some don't work for some people, but you just have to know what really works for you, and I think that's what matters most. I'll just go ahead and put this beautiful eyeliner on her eyes to create that. So the aim for this is I want to create that cat eyes effect. You can see that her eyelash already has the cat eye effect, so I'll just go ahead and use my gel liner to elaborate on the cat eyes lashes. Yes guys, now also use my same gel liner and go under her eye, under her waterline, and make sure that I line it properly the way I want to. Yes, to create that beautiful look and outcome. I'll be using this my karite gel liner, not the black. It comes in two, so I'll be using the brown to line her lips. Yeah, so I won't when I'm lining my lips rather. I like to do full lips, except maybe the person has a really full lips. That's when I want to now contour it a little. But if not, so if the lips is small or the lips is normal, I just go ahead and just do a full lips lining. I enjoy it better and it comes out better for me. But at the end of the day, everybody has what works for them. Do not forget that. Now I'll be going in with my lipstick and making sure that I blend it out very well because I don't want breakage. This is a very mattifying lipstick, so I'm not going to take my time rather to blend this out. I have to be fast as possible before I'll go in with my gloss at the end of the video. Like I said earlier, there's absolutely no filter on this beautiful look and she is looking so beautiful. Do not forget to stay tuned for my next video. I'll be uploading the full makeup tutorials for you guys and you'll be learning a lot from that video. Do well to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and turn on post notification to get notified for our upcoming beautiful videos. You'll be learning so much from this channel, guys. So that is it for the shadows and lips tutorials. I added gloss. Like I said, watch out for my next video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.